Tech 100 and Dow Jones achieved higher highs for the day before Tech 100 trying to trade more bearish than Dow Jones. Dow Jones slightly traded bullish compared to US100. That is what I had observed yesterday. And yes, both have achieved higher highs. Most importantly, US100 failed to break below 12850 and then stayed bearish since then. And US32 has gone close to 32,550. In fact, breached 32,550, and yes, it failed to break past 32,600, the next resistance level. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq? Before I come up with the next analysis before the US session, so do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. And you also join my Telegram channel where you get the regular updates. The link are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels here. And if you look at the hourly charts, now look at the hourly charts here. See, first of all, it has come to its support level 12660, 12650 levels. Very good support exists here, we have seen. And yes, if it breaks below 12600, it will call for more bearishness in US100. Now it is still very much trading within the box. And if you look at the movement, the drop, the retracement, and now again looking downwards. And hence, once again, if you see it trading about 12720, you can buy for 12750 and then 12800 levels, which is a very good resistance. So 12720 is the buying level. That is very clear here. Now see what it is trying to do. It is trying to break again on the downside. And then 12640, 12650 levels where you can take a sell entry. But then remember 12600 is a very good support. And see, we have been discussing this since yesterday and since last week also that these are good support levels. So below 12600 there could be further bearishness. Now see, the stochastic has come back to oversold zone. The MACD is bearish on the hourly charts. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trading near to the bottom. Now if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts it is also breaking out here. See, this was consolidation. Now this is a breakout candle. Certainly it will try to trade further down. Be careful of 12650, 12600 levels. Only below 12600 further bearishness is confirmed. And till then, let's have a further detailed look. See, the stochastic at bottom, the MACD divergent and bearish. It is willing to still trading bearish. That is what I can say. And RSI is looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness there too. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, see, this is the candle where it is trying to give a breakout. I think it can sustain the bearishness. If it stays below 12650, yes, it is going to bring further bearishness there. And then 12600 is the target which you can aim. And if you look at more closely, see how it has behaved, how Tech 100 has behaved so far. See, if you connect the dots, this is very much near to the bottom of this channel, and this is time it is trying to break. Hence 12650 and 12600 breaking below that. Certainly this is going to bring more drop for 12400 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, looking down. RSI trying to look downwards. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now see on the 4-hour charts, so till higher lows, yes, there is a resistance there at 12700, 12750 levels. And that is why I say yes, you can buy at 12720, but then a rise only is confirmed if it trades about 12750 levels. So you should be watchful of that on the upside, and beyond that certainly more bullishness may prevail. See, the stochastic has come to bottom there. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. It is still looking down. And the RSI is also looking down, showing a slight bearishness. Now coming back to the daily charts. See, on the daily chart, there is a slight error here. The previous candle is gone missing. I need to search it. Yes, but if till the time, see, this was a red candle. It has dropped further. And now this is trying to take another round of drop. But at the same time, remember a couple of facts. See this. And hence you have to be watchful till 12650 and 12600 levels. So only and only if it breaks below 12600, then we can confirm that is a good sell entry. RSI is looking down here. And if you look at the MACD is in green, trying to converge. The stochastic was looking down. The RSI is also looking down. Considering this, in between 12650 and 12720, do not take any position in Nasdaq 100. And in fact, the real rise is seen only if it stays about 12750 levels. So by 12720, expect 12750 to be breached. If it does, if it stays about 12750, then only confirmation of a rise exists. Hence, you are risking these 30 points. It can reverse any point of time. You have to put your stop loss at cost till it stays below 12,750. If you are selling at 12,650, you have to wait for 12,600 levels, and only if it breaks below 12,600. Below 12,600, this time we may see a further drop, which might take it till towards 12,500, 400 levels also. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now. Only limited seats are available. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Just join the free Telegram channel. You'll get more updates there and we can communicate better. Links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Only authentic links. Just copy paste the links there and confirm with before making any payment. Please note that fact there are multiple duplicate channels available. Also, please report them. Now see US30 on the hourly charts, 30 to 500. Yes, it tried to breach multiple times, but 30 to 500 is still is a very good resistance. So very clear, stay long above 30 to 500. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD here is divergent and bearish. It is looking down. It can try to pull it slide down there. RSI is also trying to look downwards and show a little bearishness. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour charts, now see if you connect this, you can find out very well within the channel. But see, increasing body size in the last 3 candles, increasing body size is an indication that the next candle is something you should watch out for. Once it stays below 32,450, you may see 32,400 levels as the next support. So we have to wait for 32,450 to be breached and then it can drop. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is also trying to trade flat almost. And if you look at the 3-hour charts here, now look at 3-hour charts, flat, 500 and 450 at least do not trade. Stochastic looking down here, the MACD is in bullish, it is in green. RSI is also trading flat here, not indicative of anything. Now look at the 4-hour charts, this is important here. See, higher lows so far. Hence, I will wait for it to break by first 32,450 and then 32,350. If these two levels are taken, it is going to be considered for a very good break on the downside where you can expect 32,200 levels again. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI trading flat here too. Now coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, very important observation, look at the previous candle. It was a candle of indecision. And also now it is trading above the 20 period simple and exponential moving average. At the same time, look at the downside. Precisely yesterday it reversed from the simple moving average 20 period. But remember, it has a good big tail then compared to the wick. It means first that bearishness was there. However, prices try to do not, you can say it failed to stay lower and bounce back strongly. Now there could be a slight retracement today. Be watchful of first you can sell at 32,450, but then 32,400 10 and then 32,350. These two levels you should watch out for. Only if it breaks below 32,300 levels, which is very strong support, you can consider that it is going to break again on the downside. See 4 candles and see these candles were with a stronger longer tail, which indicates that there could be a pullback again, because see there is not much of room. However, we have to be watchful above 32,600 because see forming a tail, getting the support here, it can reverse, and this time the reversal is going to be stronger, taking it for 33,800, 32,800, 33,000 levels. Stochastic looking up, MACD is bullish, it is divergent, it is looking up. This I told you yesterday also, this is a second cross and this time it is happening at a lower levels. It can try to pull the prices up. RSI try to look upwards. Considering this, see, first of all, for the day, we have to be still ensure that there are still, the day has just started, 16 to 18 hours left. And if you sell at 32,450 till 32,300 levels rather, I will say today, in fact, I told you earlier also 32,200 and 32,000 levels. Till that time, I will not consider Dow Jones as bearish. It can bounce back, it can recover any point of time. So for the day you can sell at 32,450, but then 32,410, 32,350 and 310, 300. These levels you should mark out and either book profits or put your stop losses at these levels once it breaches past by. On the upside, and yes, if it breaks below 33,300, more bearishness may prevail. Every 100 points till 32,000 levels, you have to put your trailing stop loss. On the upside, you can buy at 32,500, but then wait for it to break past 32,600. That is a level. If it stays above, certainly the next target is going to be 32,800, 33,000 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.